Hi, my name is Besem and you are welcome to the channel Get Brighterskin, a channel where we use only natural ingredients to achieve healthy, radiant and beautiful skin. So today guys, I want to show you how to do your very own orange peel powder at home for your DIY skincare needs. So keep watching, don't go anywhere. So guys, this is how you can make your own DIY orange peel powder at home. It's very easy and affordable. So if you learned something from this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and comments down below. And staying beautiful is my passion. What about you? What's the thing that keeps you passionate? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.